This is Nanyang paper. This is standard paper. So again, we practice the other day, what was it? A fraction. You had some difficulties with fraction. So maybe we try this one. Can you try this? No using calculators. Minus 7, 7, 8. This you had difficulty the other day. Can you tell me what's the answer here? Okay. 438, is it? Let's see. Let's see whether you. Okay. Step 1, you change it to. I'm not saying you're wrong. I'm just showing you. Okay. So now you got 13, 4, 8. Right? Minus 7, 7, 8. Do you take 7? Okay. 13 minus 7, you can. Do you take 7 minus 4? No. Okay, now we got to change this one now. We got to change this one. So 2 ways. We can minus first, no problem. We can take 13 minus 7. What do you get? Well, 13 minus 7 gets 6. So now you're left 6, 4, 8. Right? This way you understand. Now 7 disappear, only 7, 8. How? You understand this one so far? So now we got to borrow 1 whole of here. 1 whole is 8 over 8. And your balance is 5. But there's a remainder of 4 down here. So you put down here. Hold on, 4 down here. So 8 plus 4 is 12 over 8. This is 5 over 8 minus 7 over 8. What do you get? 12 minus 7 is how many? 5 over 8. Down here is 5. Which part you don't understand? You understand this part? How I break up, you understand? So this is 5, 6. Then you know why I plus 4? Because there's 4 down here. I need to plus. You know how to do this? We try one more time. We try one more time. We try. We make sure until you get it. Okay. You can do this. Is that you can do this. Where are the rest now? You might be very, very busy. Yeah. Let's see now. Okay, now you try. Is that 10 whole 8, 9. Yeah, let me see. 10 whole 8, 9. Yeah, you are correct this time. Okay, let me just double check. Okay. Okay, first step. We make them to have the same denominator. So this one becomes 21, 6. Becomes 21, 6 over 9. Correct? You got this right. Okay, then you minus 10. Now 21 can minus You can minus first. 21 minus 10 is 11, 6 over 9. But now 6 over 9 cannot minus 7 over 9. So what we do, this balance 7 over 9. You can do it this way, yeah. You want to. So you take 10 whole plus 9, 9. This is 11. But you must remember to plus the 6 down here. So this becomes 10 whole 15 over 9 minus 7 over 9. So 15 minus 7, you get 8 over 9 with 10 whole. Well done. Well done. How easy now? Okay, I'll give you some more. One more before they come now. Take a very big number also, you can use the same method, okay? Don't be worried about it. Okay. Oh, sorry. Okay, try this. One, 8, 5. Okay, 5 over 8. Let us see whether you're right. Huh? First step, we can take a 201 minus 15. What do you, or we change it on here. We times 2, we times 2. So you get 201, 28 minus 15, 58. 201 minus 15, you get 18628. And then you already minus the 15, no more 15 here, left with 58. 2 cannot minus 5. So we break this up now. 185, 8, 8. But remember to plus 2. So you get, yeah, once you minus, what do you get? You get 1,855 over 8. Congratulations, Izzat. You know how to do this already. Well done. Well done. Huh? Where are our friends? Our friends are not here. Huh? So never mind. Huh? We continue. Okay, I will inform them, but you start now with question, the first one now. Okay, you try first 2 questions. You can see the screen? Can, where are the jokers? Not jokers lah. I don't mean jokers, but they are jokers. Right? Okay. Wow, very fast, I see. 3. Congratulations. Are you sure? If they say to the nearest 100, why don't you try? Try to round this off to nearest 100. You say 3, yeah? We try. Is that we try? 12,089. You must find out what's 100. This is ones, tens, 100. You must look at the digit next to it. You must still plus one. Yes, 5, 6, 7. You must plus one. Then you become 12,100. That is not 12,000. So 3 is not correct. Can you try another one? Try to round off and then see. Okay, 2 is correct. Look at the next one. You have to plus 1 to 12,000. Okay, good. So answer is 2. You can test this out. Next one, this. Four. But this is 4 tens, 4 tens means 4 times 10, What is 4 times 10? 40, So the answer must be 40, 40. One of these two. Which one is it? 2. This one, we must know how to do this one. 100, now you put 2 blanks here. Put the 8 in the first one, 2 here. 40 here. If you put at this, there's only 200, 8,000. Because this is ones, tens, 100,000. They want 2,800. So the last digit must go to the 100 place. The 2 will go into the 10th place. I have to give you another question. Okay. 3 tens and 56,000. What is the number? There's no MCQ this one. You must 1,000 now with a TH. Let me call Akil's mother. Well done. Very good. Very good, is that? You take get a present from your mom. What is it? Don't ask me. Have you been getting presents from mom? No. Okay lah. Ask her for a hug lah, or your dad. And sometimes we need to hug our parents. No? Sometimes it's a present to them also. Number 1. Okay, let us see. Let's say we put a 0 here. Okay, put a 0 here. Down here we add, put a 0 down here. So it's like 36,030. So it's on 36,090. So what do? I will count from here to here. How many units are there? So it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 12 units. But what is this 12 units equals to? I take this minus this. What do I get? I get 0.06. So maybe now we'll find what's 2 units. Akil is coming. 2 units now. Okay, Akil, welcome, Akil. I divide by 6, I get this. I divide by 6, I get 0.01. Okay. Hello, Akhil. So that means what? Every 2 units, I add one more. So this one be what? 36.04. This one, 36.05. 36.06. So what is B06? What is in between? 36.055. Right? Between what? Down here. Can you see now? Is that? I hope you can see. Okay. Welcome, Mr. Akhil. Akhil, are you there, Akhil? Okay, we're gonna do average. And the other day you were saying you need help in average. Okay. Is that you got anything you need help in? You just tell me, okay? All right. But this one I noticed Mr. Akhil needs help lah in average. So we're going to do average, okay? So I will go to this. Can you see this one now? Can you see? Okay, we are gonna. But your brother is not here, brother. Okay, now we find what is the first one now. What's the average number of pupils in class? You can use your please use your calculator because we don't have time to do mental calculation now. Okay, we want to get the concept correct. Use your calculator, please. Okay, if you forgot what's the formula, remember Mr. Tan. Mr. Tan, So Mr. Tan is sorry. You forget Tan, yeah. T A N. Mr. Tan. So you want to find average is total divided by number. You know how to use this triangle, right? So now they want you to find average. Find the total value, number of all the students divided by the number of classes. Then you can get a number of. Okay, you get it, Akhil, wake up, Akhil. Akhil tidur, penat. Aduh, you just came back from school, You just woke up, alamak. Hey, go wash your face, You are just lying down like that. How are you going to focus like that? 37. Izzat said 37. What about Akhil? So, sorry. So now what you do? Add these 3 up. How much you get? Let us see. Add the 3 up. Now I'm going to check. You must know how to do this. I'm doing this in honor of you, Mr. Akhil. Otherwise, there's no time, for okay. So I get 111. 111 then divide by 3 lah. 37. Well done, Izzat. Izzat got the answer. Average is 37. We are moving to the next one. Akhil, if you don't understand, you must stop me. Akhil, you understand so far? Can, Okay, so remember the formula. Now you try the next one. Now use your calculator, please. Use your calculator. Where is it? Izzat, you'll check whether you're right in a moment. We're waiting for Akhil. Ini ada 6 shoppers. Well done, Izzat. Akhil can? Not ada. Don't worry, you guys only got 1 more month. After that, you can enjoy it. Just 1 more month. Exactly in 30 days, you will have your maths exam. On 31st of this month, 30th of this month, you will have your English exam. After that, you'll find there's nothing to do in school. Okay, we just add up everything. Akhil, we add up. You get, I forgot how much you get. Then you divide by 6. You get, as Izzat says, $173.50. Okay, you must be able to do it lah. Use your calculator. Wash your face lah. Wash your face. Now, water consumption means what? Consume means consumption comes from the word consume. Consume means to use. How much water did the 6 household use in a month? Okay, let me go and get something else. Okay, don't do mentally. We don't have time for mental calculation. Okay, don't have time for mental problems. So now it's towards exam. We're getting you ready, and you can do it. Both of you can do it. You have to believe in yourself. No matter what your score is for prelim, don't worry. Okay, your prelim is going to be just slightly tougher only, or slightly more. Some schools even might be a killer paper. Okay, this is actually a very bad habit on the part of the schools. And then some students, they start crying, poor thing. Well done, Izzat. Akil, how Akil? Akil mabuk lah. Mabuk macam mana? Okay, we add up all of them, okay? What do we get? We get, hold on, 93, 70. We get 105 cubic meters. Then we divide it by 6. You get 17.5 cubic meters. This one you cannot understand, you got to do, Akil, otherwise you will not master it. It's different now. You look at someone, you watch someone in a boxing match, while you see how he punch, very good. You got to actually do the punching, kena punch, then you become good. You know, I study by observing, cannot. Like cycling, so cannot lah. So I watch people cycle, I can cycle, so cannot lah. Doesn't work the way. Average still, they're still asking average, right? Okay, now newborn baby. This is, yeah, not bad. You know, my sons were all heavier than all of this. Very bad. Now they are, of course, not now lah. When they were born, my youngest son was the fattest boy in the whole ward. It's almost 5 kg. It's 4 point something. And when he came out, he loves to eat. Eating all the time. All right. Izzat can do no, Izzat? Okay. Akil, you can do it, Akil.
To do that, I cannot find my calculator.
Okay, use your handphone. Use your handphone. Use your handphone. Try. Unless you're using it for this Zoom, then it's going to be tough. How is that? Is that using mental calculation? Use calculator. Come on. Okay, well done, Izzat. Okay, Akil, when we add up the whole thing, you will get a decimal, 17.39 kg. See, this 17.39 kg is just 20 kg. Can you imagine? 5 babies is just so light, quite light. Then you divide by 5, you get 3.478. Well done. Okay, the answer is 3.478 kg. So far it's direct. This one find average is direct. Now you're gonna go to indirect one. What do you mean indirect? See, now they're asking you for what? Total number of goods. So I want you to be able to, they're asking you for number, total number. you must know how to use the triangle. You must know how to use this triangle. Okay, I just draw this. Triangle is a little bit. You want to find total. Formula for total, average times number. You want to find average, total divided by number. You want to find number, total divided by average. We have really gone through this. If you still do not know how to read the triangle, please tell me. Wow, very fast. Who is this? Oh, is that? Is that you got lucky number? Okay, find the total. What's the formula? What's the formula? Akhil, you know the formula? Akhil, you can just tell me now. Akhil, formula for, oh, Akhil, a given answer. Mental calculation. Wow. Genius, someone. Yes, I'm a genius. Okay, now. So you're gonna find total average times number. What's average? Average number of goals scored is 4. The number of team play 22 matches. This is the number of matches. What's the total number of goals? 4 plus times 22 like 88. Finish. Say, I don't understand. Okay, now remember, these are your formulas now. You must memorize the formula. Total number of goals equals to average number of goals per match times the number of matches. This is average for number of matches 22, just times. Okay, now now you're no longer finding average, no. You're finding total, finding whatever they ask you lah. Okay, we move on now. This one now. What is the perimeter? What is the perimeter? Okay. Is that mental calculation? Calculator. So this one dia agak-agak tadi. Okay, so 15. Let us see now how to do. Yes, 25.5. Good, huh? So it's as if average is saying roughly lah. Roughly is 8.5 lah here, every side. Roughly that's 8.5. Roughly, this is what average means. Roughly each side is 8.5. Find the total, 8.5 times 3, finish. 25.5. Both of you are correct. Total mass now, total mass. Is that well done? You gotta find total, Total, okay, let me write down from there. Total average number. How to find total? Total is average times number lah. You can see Mr. Tan here, average times number. Yes, both of you got it correct. So average is 48 times 0.17. What do we get? We get 8.16 kg. Well done. Okay. So by the end of today, we should cover right until the exam. And they will turn and twist the paper for the questions. You can try now the next one. No, this is the number. No more the total. You want to find a number test. Well done, is that? Okay. Want to find the number of tests. How to find the number of tests? What is number? They really give you down here. You must be able to see the pattern here. They can see not. Number equals to T over A. Say I cannot see, I cannot see. Now see, now. See. Now I can see not T over A. Well, yeah. So total is 360, the marks. Divide by 72, average mark. You will get 5. Okay, 5 tests. There's a total of 5 tests. Okay. Take the total number of marks, divide by average score per test, you will get 5 different tests. Yes, Akil, well done. Okay. Inshallah, you must be able to master this, okay? Because I'm doing, this is P5 worksheets, you know. We're going to build up. Later we're going to do P6 question, because I want to start, make sure you all start from the, yeah, you try next one. Is that well done? How about Akil? Well done. So take 1, 3, 2, the total mass. Where's the total mass? Sorry. The total mass is here, sorry. Divided by 33, you get 4 persons. Now, why is this average important? It's actually not to find individual one. You can compare from year to year. Maybe now, let's say the average, we found out the average weight this year 2021 33 kg at primary 6. You compare to my time, it might only be 17 kg. Then what it means? It means people have gone fatter through the years. But Izzat said, but I'm not fat. What? I can say I'm not fat. Yeah, both of you may not be fat. But you take the group as a whole, much more heavier than 20, 30 years ago. That's what it means. It will give us an idea of how fat the people are. And they compare, just what's average death age. Okay, let us see now. Okay, you must know how to use it. Otherwise, no, if you don't know how to use it, see, why are we learning all this? Then we're going to have problems. Okay, let's see now. Yeah. So, average age of Singaporean dying. Okay, 20 lah. We can have down here. Average age is 83 years old. Means roughly, of course, my grandfather died at 60, my grandmother died at 100. Yeah, this is the average, means we take everyone's age, we divide. See roughly. See why is this important? I show you now. Let's say we go to 1950. What's the average age? Can you see now down? Oh, this is we can see down here. We can compare now. From 1950. Can you see not? The last time, 1950 is only 60 years old only. Most of the people, they die around this age. Now more people die around this age. That means your society is better. Your medication is better. Your life condition is better. There's more doctors here. People are more health conscious. People exercise more. This is what it's telling us. Okay, this is what average is telling us. Okay, so I want you to understand that. You must remember, maths is for meaning. See, but PSLE coming, I'm not so concerned about meaning. I want we have the marks. Yes, it's all connected. We try now. How many days did the exhibition last? Well done, Izzat. What about Akil? Now there are how many days? Well, yeah, Izzat. Sorry, I thought I saw the number appearing, but it's not. It's the same number. How to do this one? Simple. Actually, all you need to do is, those of you say, I don't know how to do this. Okay, I'll show you another way. Okay, I'll show you another way. Okay, say, I don't know how to use this one. Okay, I'll show you. Do like that. Every time you write down like that. Done. Then you fill in the blanks now. You see the total number of people, total number 1230. I put 1230 here. Okay. Then this one, average is 205. I put average here. They are going to ask you about number. See how to do. You know how to do already. You have already done. Look, you see, watch out, and what? Then you got the working rate. 1230 over 205. Well done, Akil. Can you see now? All this really. So your answer is 6. Okay, your answer is 6. Well done. Okay, both of you are getting it. Now we are going to go to harder and harder stuff. Okay, different types. Hold on now. This is now ebooks downloaded. Okay, they want to know. This now the libraries want to know. Okay, the bar graph shows the number of ebooks downloaded from a public library over the last 4 years. What was the average number of ebooks downloaded over the last 4 years? Means every year, what was the average? Roughly lah. Average means total over number. Total number of downloading divided by the number of years. Anybody. Sorry, Mr. Izzat. Try again. Remember the formula. You want to find average now. Sorry, Akil. No, hey, guys, you gotta find. You gotta add this one. Sorry, oops. You gotta add this one. 800,000 plus how much is this one? 650,000. I think you got this one part wrong, maybe some of you. Then plus 400,000, and then plus 200,000. Add all of this. You will get how many? You will get 2 million something. 2,050,000. Like that. You will get like this. Then you must divide by how many years? Total must divide by the number of years. 4 years. You will get 5. 1, 2. 512,000 and 500. Okay. Now, why is this sort of chart important? Imagine you are in charge of the library. You want to ask the government for money. They will ask you, what's the average number of users? You say average number of users only 10. 10, you think they'll give you money to buy more ebooks? No. You see, yes, sir. Now you can say, Mr. Prime Minister or Mr. Minister. 4 years ago, it's 200,000. Then it went up to 400,000 and 650,000. 800,000. On average, about 500,000 people every year they borrow books. Say 500,000, about half the 1/5 of the population. Say yes. Okay, then you get the budget for it. But if you do not know average, how are you going to explain to people why they should spend more money in ebooks? Some of you may, I thought ebooks is free. No ebooks, you must pay for it, not free. They even have audio books. Why would anyone do it for free? No one do it for free. You have the pirated one. Just that you watch pirated movies, but that you cannot make money, right? The original can make money. Okay, we try this next one. If you cannot see, I got to make it bigger. Yeah, I think like that. 5 days, 5 days. That's the total number of durians, Mr. Izzat. They want to know what's the average number of durians per day. You must divide by what? You know. Yes. Uphill. You got to check now. And that's it, 40 plus 40, 80. 80 plus 50, 130. 130 plus 70, 200. 200 plus 80, 280 in total. You divide by 5. You will get 56. 56 average a day. See, how is this important? If you are selling durians, you need to know how much stock you got to get from Malaysia. See, take 1,000. I should get sell one. You must try out the market first. You go order so much. In the end, you'll be eating durian every day. Nasi makan durian, sama masak durian. You got to roughly know, roughly every day about 56. Maybe I order 200 first. Or for the week, 280 or whatever number. It gives you an idea to order. Right? If you order too much, you cannot get rid rugi. Then durian busuk, then what happens? They say, got to sell cheap sale. Now we try the next one. Maybe you cannot see, so we put, okay. See, this is how to read. Roughly about 2,000 each. Each line is 2,000. Yeah, mentally. Here we go. I think I got it. Let's see whether you can get it. Me do mentally. That's why my hair is now lesser. Me can see scalp now. As you can see scalp. Wow! Is that? Oh yeah, maybe you're right. Correct. Oh. Yeah, correct. What about Akil? Yeah, I counted only in the thousands. I didn't count the last. Yeah, well done.
So is
So
it
we add
52,000, 42,000, 38,000, and
yes,
64,000 plus that
yes,
all
plus okay.
together.
Then
Yeah,
divide by.
then divide it by 4.
Well done. Okay. So you know the method. Once you get a calculator, you know do your answer is 49K lah. 49,000. I did it mentally. I got 49. So I thought Izzat was wrong. But cannot be 49, right? It's 49,000. Well done. Okay, both of you. That means you know. Alhamdulillah. So Akil, are there questions that you don't know about which one about the more difficult ones? Is it this type? Okay. Okay, we go through this type until you are
I just
very
last time I just don't know how to do the method.
okay. So now you are getting it. Okay, we try later. We try some tougher ones. Okay, this one now we done already. This one, okay, we go to this one too many numbers. Review now. Okay. After this, we go to primary 6 average. We try a few. Table shows number of stems. Is that doing mental lah? A mental boy. Come on, come on, come on, come on, guys. Come on, guys. Okay, Akil, what about your answer? Is that now Akil has overtaken you then? Akil, the answer is correct. Is that can do not? Is that?
Can I go toilet?
Go. What's the answer? Is that? You add both, then divide by 2. Yes, well done. 160. Okay, good. Here we go. We move on. We move on. This is like a revision. Revision. Win. We job for 5 days. Syakir lambat. Now he's joining. Assalamualaikum, Syakir. Assalamualaikum ya Ustaz Syakir.
Waalaikumsalam.
Baru balik sekolah?
Ya.
Tiring for you. May Allah grant you energy, power for you to be able to. Yeah.
Never mind.
You see, every time you do this, never mind. Don't be like that. What is it? Tell me, what is it? This one.
Nothing.
Nothing. Okay, nothing then. Okay. Is that your final answer is correct, but what answer for A? Okay. So now, Mr. Syakir, we are doing average. Average is what? Yeah. Total average number. This triangle you must know how to use. So now down here, they want how many kilometers they jog. So you just plus all of this. Monday, 2, 3, you get 20 km. Shakil, how to find the average, Shakil? They want to find on average how many km he jogged every day. Shakil, how to do? Penat dia.
Teacher. 3 plus 2 plus 4 plus 5 plus 6
Answer get 20, correct. Well done. And
divided
then,
by 5.
well done. So your answer is 4. Congratulations.
4.
Well done. Tahniah untuk Mr. Sheikh Akil. Okay, well done. When you come, your brother malu dah lari.
Hmm.
You know who's your brother, kan? Now he's back. Your brother is back. Okay, come. We try now. This is the highest and lowest temperature. Again, you see, why must we know all this? And next time you go to Negara Arab or you're going to China or something, you say, hey, China must be like this, Singapore. You go down there, it might be very cold. I'm told even Saudi Arabia at night can be very cold. And in the day can be very hot. In Dubai and all this stuff. It's higher than fever, no? You know, fever, temperature 50 degrees and all that. And if you're not ready, can you imagine? I'll show you something later. Okay, what happened in the US? You'll be shocked. Some of you will be shocked about temperature. But now you find what's the average highest temperature? This is highest, you know. It's considered quite low, lah. This is the highest temperature. Maybe this is Singapore temperature, lah. Oh, Izzat got answer there. Okay, you all know what to do, right? You must use your calculator, lah. Should use your calculator, okay? Because we are not wanting you to do mental sums.
Yeah,
Teacher.
I go take my calculator.
Teacher.
Oh, yeah.
26.5 plus 25.8 plus 32 plus 31.3. Is it?
Okay. Yeah, correct. Then you get 115.6. And then what do you do after that?
Divided by 4?
Well done.
Okay,
right.
teacher. The calculator is not me.
Never mind. I'll be your calculator. 28.9 degrees.
Teacher. I have it on my phone.
Okay, can. 28.9 degrees. Just
Jangan
one.
jawab
Okay, now I just want going to show you. You must understand what you are learning. See, but I'm going for exam. I don't need to learn. You must know all this meaning. Why is it important? I just show very quickly. Okay, very quickly. See what very quickly.
Equals to 28.9.
28.9. Well done. Okay. Now down here, let us go to US. Okay, USA homeless people. You know there are homeless people dying in winter. They're freezing in winter.
Teacher.
Look at this. Orang US, no. In the US, the homeless people are people without a home. They say every winter people freeze to death. Freeze, you know. You know, it's freeze. It's like going inside a freezer, the refrigerator, mati like that.
Yeah.
You see, is it really true? Yes, it's true. You look around here, see, when it's freezing, you got no appropriate baju. Where you going to sleep? You say, I might sleep inside there by the booth, you know. It's very, very cold. You might fall sick. You might die even. See, where are they going to sleep? So in the US, people are dying in winter. That's why you need to know. If you go to countries like US and all that, you need to bring the right clothes. You say, no, I'll just wear a t-shirt like that. You might be freezing, no? Even your ingos also be frozen. Yes, Akil.
You do business, is it?
What business am I doing?
Macam mana I saw?
Huh? What
I saw
business?
the apps that you use.
Okay, I'll show you again. What app? What is it? Which app?
I saw like line,
Line.
like this.
Like, which one?
One just now.
This one. This one. This one. What business am I doing?
No, the phone just now lah.
Yes, no, those lines. Oh, Excel.
What's an Excel?
Excel means you, let's say attendance, all this stuff, fees collection. I need to keep track, you see. I don't have, because I'm doing this for my life, right? I don't get a salary, so I need to keep record. Okay, we try now. Mangoes. I do not know whether you watch the comedy, you know, at the police station. But this is a long time ago. But never mind. You try this one. But very funny to me. Wow, that's fast. Is that? Well done, Izzat. Very fast, huh? If you understand the concept, you'll be very fast. So this mango story is about, it's actually done by Jack Neo. You all know Jack Neo? Is that, you know Jack Neo? Don't know. He did a sketch in the jail, the police station and the police station. There was a case of people stealing mango, but they cannot speak English properly. So they start saying, 3 men come, they take the mango and until the policeman got so confused. Say, come down, mango, and then the mango. Yeah, but anyway, here we go. Down here now, this is the average weight they give you. So Shakil, you can also do like that. Shakil, you can write it down like that. Shakil, see, you put T, you put A. What is A? You got the A, what? 225 down here. Ah, yes. And then 8 mangoes, number is 8. What you don't have? You don't have total. How to find? Average times total lah. 225 times 8. You get answer 1800 gram. Okay, you must know how to use this triangle. So I'm going to test Shakil now. Shakil. You see, the guy not listening. Shakil, come. I'm going to test you now. How to find total now? What's the formula?
A plus
Times average times number. How to find average?
times
Total. Okay, I show you now. Watch. How to find average? Look. I remove average. What do you have left? Total divide by number.
Total divide by number.
Number. Hold on.
So
Now
when you plus, you need to divide by the number.
Yeah, but now I want to find number. How to find number? Formula is total.
I don't know.
Yes, total divide by average. Can see
Oh.
not? You cover this thing. Now I want to find number. I cover number. Then what is left? Total divide by average. Can see that? So how to find total? Total, you remove this. Average times number. That's what it means. Sometimes you have to plus. Sometimes if they give these two, you can times. Okay, we got to be clear. We got to be clear. Next time you become a successful person, you need to know all this stuff. So average like rata-rata or agak-agak or something. Okay, the very last question. Amelia has 176 pages in a storybook. She reads 16 pages of story every day. How long will she take? How many days will she take? And then we'll go through average questions. Come, are you all able to do it now? You write down now this thing, just write this triangle sahaja. Write down this. Write down. What do you have? Total. You got total. What is total? 176. Like 176 here. Then what else you have? Average you have 16 pages a day. What's the number of days you need? Oh, I want to find number of days. Oh, very simple. What do I do? Remove all those like down here. You want to find number, right? Remove number. What do you get? 176 divided by 16. You will get 11 days. 11. Okay. Now I'm going to, you just give me 30 seconds. I will open up some of the test paper for you all to do. On what? On average. On average. On average. Hold on. Try now. Where is it? Average hilang. One. Okay. I don't know whether you can see. Here now. Okay, you must be able to do this. Let's see. Let's search for the average. Any average? No. Any average? No. What's the ratio? Percentage. You want average, mister? Average. Aha! Average. Hello, come. Let's try this. Akil, come on, Akil. Let's try this one. Akil, I'm doing this lesson for you. Akil, don't run away, Akil. Come, this is for you, in honor of you. What was the average amount of money spent by Kai? Even Muslims also have the name Kai. No? What's the name? Kai Xiang. Well done, Izzat. Well about the rest. Akil, you know what to do, Akil? You want to find average, right? Total divided by the number. Come on, Syakil. Syakil lah penat lah dia. Plus. This one you say plus. This is not salib. Salib. What's the meaning of salib? Is that you know salib? Oh wait. What is salib? You know salib? Salib is cross. I'm not drawing crosses. So you must find the total. Yes, Akil Atan. Well done. Now we're waiting for Syakil. Okay.
35.
Well done. So add all of them together and then divide by 4. You get 35. Congratulations. Okay, this is one question. Let us move on to next average question. Let's see, average anymore? Percentage. No. We want average. No. Average. No. Average. No. Average. Decimal. GST. Ratio. Area. Perimeter. I got it. This is average. Hold on. This is average now. They want to know the number of bags sold in October. But they tell you that, okay, I'm going to write the number here because you may not be able to see clearly. So I'm going to write the number here. This one is 14. This one is 20. This one is 18. This one is 8. What is this? You must find, they give you this average. Number of months is given now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oh, very fast. It's that Wakil, very fast. Let's see whether you're correct. Let's see. No, actually, no. There's no answer. You must find what's the total number of bags sold first. Find the total number of bags. How many months is it? June to October? How many months? You can count on that. And then you start to minus all the rest. Then you know how much is it. Find the total number of bags sold. Total number of bags sold. total. So this one is not so direct. Find what's the total. Use the formula, find the total. Okay, you want to find the total. How to find the total? Average times number of months. What's the average number of bags sold? They give you down here is 13 bags sold. Number of months, you count out 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. What's the total number of bags? Average is 13 times by what? Number of months, 5. What do you get? 65. So there's total of 65. You minus 14, minus 20, minus 18, minus 8. What do you get? Or you add all this up. 14 plus 20, 34. 34 plus 10, 44. 44 plus 8, how much? 52. 52 plus 8, 60. The whole thing from here to here is 60. How much is this? 65 minus 60, you get 5, only 5. That is very low down here. Somewhere down here. This is what you must understand the concept. You must know that you can find total. So find total and then minus all the rest to find what's the last month. Okay, I hope you get it. Akhil, you understand, Akhil? Akhil, he disappear. I hope,
Yes.
yes, you understand, okay? So now we try to see whether we can get, this one is not average. Okay, we got to go for average. Vietnam, cherry, robust, volume.
Sir,
Yeah,
you didn't see, right?
didn't see one.
Nothing then.
I said like this guy, I said call, nothing. So he call up somebody, hello, nothing. You go to shop, makcik saya nak.
No,
Tak
sir, no. I wear tola.
Oh, you wear tuala, it's okay. Sometimes I wear sarong also. Sometimes the sarong even fall to the floor. But I'm not wearing sarong now lah. I believe so. Okay, I think there's no more average here. We will now do another one. Okay, we do another one. P6. P6 normally difficult to find the average sum, but we try, okay? Why P5 they have it? Because P5 average is a P5 topic. So it's normally found in P5. Normally there be one in the P6 paper. There's one. So let us try find. Just give me a moment. Ratio. So I don't want to waste your time lah. Okay, I will open up. Let me open up another few P5 papers because the
Sir.
essay. Yeah.
Yeah, yang paling senang yang drawing tu je.
Paling senang drawing. Okay, then you make sure you score lah. Inshallah.
Sir, you go up, sir. You go up.
No. You
The
want
question
to do,
was just now lah.
I know we just want to do average here today. Average, you know what is average in Malay? You know, right? Rata-rata, right?
Boleh. Yeah, I think so.
That's what Putri say. So yeah. Okay, we won't go through anymore lah. Now let me go and search for the other papers. Just a moment. P5. See, got so many papers on here. P5. Again, I give you P5 not because okay. It's because average is a P5 topic. So there are more questions here. Yeah, algebra. This one, number 12, please. Number 12. You must understand what they're saying. The clue is total. The clue is total in both cases. If you don't understand, I just draw for you. What's the total? You gotta find this 5 bags. And then after that, you got this one. So 1 bag. So what's the total here? If you take total here minus total here, you can get the last bag, the weight. Find the total. So how to find total? Yeah, they got the average weight. You got the average down here. You got the number of bags. You got the average weight. You got the number of bags also because it's 1 less. So you can find it. Ow. As you get my age, you get all sorts of funny pains. Can or not? You find what's the total here. Total of 5 bags. Total 5 bags. Find the total 4 bags. Then you minus, you will get the last bag. You get the 5th bag. Okay, Akil says that, okay, let's see whether Akil, your answer is correct in a moment. You cannot just take 35 minus 32. I don't think it works that way, but you never know, study your answer is correct. No, that's not answer. You gotta try it. What's the total out of 5? Take 5 bags times 35. Then you get a total out, which is 175 kg. So the total weight of these 5 bags is 175. Then the 4 bags, well, they say is 32 is the, so 32 times 4. What do you get? 4 times 320, 128. Okay, then you minus 175 minus 128, you will get 47. The last bag is 47. So you must be able to understand. If you want to find this color, this one I color, you find all the weight minus this one. Once you minus this one disappear, you can find the last bag. I think you're too tired. Guys, you only got another 3-4 weeks left. So inshallah, you gotta push yourself. You see, I don't want to push myself. I'm very tired. You just go 1 more month, 1 more month. After that, you can enjoy yourself. Okay, just a little more. Last time I had a tuition center in Ang Mo Kio. My students were all Chinese. No, I had to come up with stories because they came back from school. Like in school, that time was not COVID time. 20 years ago. The teachers give them worksheet after worksheet in school. I think probably it's happening to you also. By the time they come to tuition center, they're all tired. If I give them any worksheet, they will scream. I say, okay, we have an agreement. Says, what's the agreement? I'll tell you a story. After that, you do. So I tell them ghost stories. So I created all my stories. And they were 90% Chinese. No? I was teaching mostly Chinese students. Okay, I think maybe what we do now, we will, let me see. Yeah. This is the ratio, angle. So, let's see the hearting don't have. So the last one, okay lah. Then in that case, can we do some angles? You all are okay, angles? Yeah, I will. No, okay. I will give you some tough angles, can? Okay, angles, difficult one. Let me see now. Where is the angle? 6 angle. Here. This is from SA2. Alamak, where's my angle? Sekejap, P6 angle. Okay, we do one by one. We do a little bit tough one. Okay, we try and find BEF. 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 This one over here. Can find,
Sir,
Hmm.
180 minus 300 minus 80.
180 minus 300. 300 minus 180. Okay,
Okay.
300.
But that's not right, sir.
No, I do not know whether it's right or wrong. I don't
Oh,
think.
sir, is it 360 minus 300?
Okay. Then you
And
get
then you got the answer?
no. Then you get this part. That one you will get this part now. You get 60 degrees down here. Okay, and then down here you can minus this. Can you, how to minus after that? You get this 60 degrees. You can find this one then. Okay, we can use that method. Shakil, we can use that method. What is this angle then, Shakil?
100.
No, this one is how many degrees?
60.
This one 60. This one 90, 90 minus 60, how much you get?
I don't really know.
30. Now you can find. Okay, not bad.
80 minus 30.
Yes, 80 minus 30, you get inside here 50. Not bad, Shakil.
Because
Down
you're
here.
50.
Then 50. But now you want to find this one.
Oh,
You have
so
found this one 50.
180 minus 80 minus 50. Minus 90.
Minus 90 minus 50 give you 40 down here. Because you must remember this is not 80. That's how we found out down here. This is actually 50. How you get 50? 80 minus 30 give you 50 lah. So now down here, I go and rub this off to make sure that you all are very clear. Now this is not 80, no. Because 80 minus 30 give you 50. This is 50. So this is 50. Down here, how much is this? This is 90. So now take 180 minus 90 minus 50, you get 40. How you get it? Can do that. Is that you understand? Is that? Yes. So we do the next one, okay? So sometimes you just need to try. You say, no, I don't know how to do. Just try. We do not know. It's just like people go and explore the world. You know, there's one Muslim, I forgot what's his name. He explored so many countries in the world. This is a very long
Like he
time back.
crossed the country to go to Makkah.
Yes. Yes, and he had a dream. He even came to Malacca, Malacca. This part, Indonesia, Malacca, he came. I do not know whether he came to Singapore lah. What's his name? Ibn Battuta. Ibn Battuta. If you want to check about him, this is an explorer that is considered very great lah. In fact, in the madrasa, they should be teaching this, Okay, and Muslims should. Ibn Battuta. This is considered a great explorer by who? By the world. Ibn Battuta. Ibn Battuta. Mana Ibn Battuta ni? Ibn Battuta dong, ya. Can you see them? Okay, people draw it. So where the first pilgrimage, they went Iran, Iraq, Somalia, Arabia, Swahili, went to India, China, went to so many, and in that time, and one time you go many years. You see, 1349, 6 years, 5 years. This one how many years? 1332 to 47, 15 years. Imagine you leave your wife, you come back, you say your wife become old woman already. You also become old man now. So down here now, this is Ibn Battuta. He wrote a book. This is his map of where he traveled. Can you imagine those times, no? Right down here, right? This is Mecca, Medina, right? Somewhere here. So he started traveling all around. See why he go Africa? What is in Africa? Africa got a lot of Muslims at that time. And some Muslims are very great Muslims. One of the richest, or people say the richest man in the world is from Africa last time. When you go to Mecca, a Muslim guy, his name is Mansa, King Mansa. He go there, he will give a lot in charity. He bring whole army. I think this is his second trip. See, can you see that? Where did he go? Malaysia, Sumatra. He might have stopped by Singapore, you know. Might have. Okay, so anyway, remember, you need to know all this. This is important. Why? We are Muslims, no, we are Muslims. We are Muslims are supposed to be good in maths. She said, but now I'm not good. Never mind. Many of my students, even at P6, they are still very weak. Some of them are P6, but at Sec 1 already they start to improve. I had one student last year, she did quite badly, you know. Now she's highest in her school. So sometimes it takes time. But now we have PSLE, you got to push yourself to the max. You push yourself to the max. But don't give up halfway, yeah. Don't give up. Say no, I cannot. Don't. Believe in Allah. You have to believe. You got to ask Shakila. He can tell you about many mu'jizah. You heard of the mu'jizah, Shakil? Like miracles happening. Inshallah. Okay, you try EDC. Where's EDC? Down here.
I sent my answer already.
You send your answer. Okay, you send by phone. You send by
I sent by Zoom.
by Zoom. Wow, Akil. Let us see whether you're correct. Let us see. Just a moment. Is Akil Adel correct? 30.
Teacher.
Correct. Congratulations, Mr. Akil. Yeah.
Is it 180 minus 70?
Yeah, then minus 60 or so. Don't forget.
Okay.
Then what you get? You get this one. This is how Akil does it. 180 minus 70 minus 60. He will get what?
Because of 50.
50. And he knows this parallelogram. Opposite angle is also 50. Now he'll give you the trick now. 50 plus this equals to 180. So you take 180 minus 50, you get 130 down here. Well done. Not too tough, eh?
It's equals to 130.
130, yes. Well done. So you can collect a prize from your mom. Do you collect a prize from your mom now, Shakil? Why?
My birthday is coming soon.
When is your birthday?
11 September.
11 September 11? Allah.
Ya,
It's
saya
okay.
anak teroris je.
The Muslims were not responsible. Yeah, the Muslims did not do September 11. They fitnah us. You know fitnah?
Fina kerja.
Fitnah. You want me to show you proof now?
How do you know?
Okay, I show you. Now, they say there's
Check
tower
out the
1.
toilet.
Yeah, go. There's tower 1 and tower 2 falling. You watch this now. I show you now. You tell me what aeroplane hit and the tower can fall. Okay, you can type this. WTC stands for World Trade Center. This is the building they say happened in 9/11. On 9/11, 3 buildings went down. So you check Tower 7. Tower 7, there's a video even. Watch what happened at Tower 7. Suddenly nothing hit, can go down. You saw nak Shakil? Shakil tak tengok lah. Ni tengok ni. Shakil tengok. You see Can you see not this one now here? Nothing hit this, no, you go down. How come nothing can hit? There's nothing hitting it. Okay, Tower 7, you see this one now, more clear one. How can you see? This is now Tower 7.
But is it really a kapal terbang Telangga?
This is nothing, man. So what happened? This is they fitnah the Muslims here. Why they fitnah? You know why not?
Why?
Because they want to attack the Muslim country to take all the oil. You see,
But how do you know this, sir?
of course, this is now okay. You can see my screen, right? You can check. This is now Mak Saleh. They write the report. Right? Engineers, architects, 9/11. There's a website called Architects and Engineers for 9/11. You go to their website, architects and engineers. Where is it? This one Wikipedia. Okay, we go Wikipedia first. Down here, they give you the website. You go to the website. The truth for 9/11 truth. These are architects and engineers. They look at the way the building collapsed. They say this is not plane crash. They say this is demolition. That means people put bomb and it falls. Pam, 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 pam. By looking, they know. So these are all the non-Muslim, no. Non-Muslim, they say, cannot be. It cannot be. You see, if you look at it, you will know it's a demolition. There's explosions taking place inside the building. It's not done by Muslim. They know. But they are too weak.
Raja, my birthday on 11 Sep.
Yes, it's okay, no problem. Okay, we try this last question. Now it's 6:58. Trapezium, you can see that. Oh, no. Can. This one. Where's the trapezium? No. I'm afraid this one may be wrong. Okay, you try this one. Very last question. What is the sum of AOD and BOC? Sum, they're not asking you to find AOD. They're asking you to find both. Very easy. How to find both? Come on, Shakil. Come on. Shakil, what are you doing, Shakil? Why are you looking down? Malu ah. Don't be malu lah. Apa yang malu? Saya tengah buat homework lain. Aduh, see I know kan? Macam mana dia boleh tahu eh?
Oh.
Yeah.
180 minus 100 is the BOC.
Yeah.
180 minus 63.
Okay, and then you get the answer for this one, right? And then the next one, 180 minus?
180 minus 63.
No, already minus
So close to 117.
Okay, 117 is here. Okay, then some more?
Then you need to 117 minus 159.
No. Take 180 again. This time down. This side
180 minus 117 minus 115.
No, minus 59. Minus 59. You will get this one.
159 minus 117.
No, just 180 minus 159. You will get 21.
That's answer.
You must plus these two because they want you to.
So under 117 plus 21.
21, yeah. So that's the answer. You get 1.
It's equals to 138.
38, yes. Or if you don't want to do that method, no problem. I'll show you another method. You can also do this. 360 minus 159 minus 63. You'll get 138 also. You don't believe, you try using a calculator. 360 because the whole thing 360, you minus this one. You minus this one, you get 138 for both of these. Okay. So all the best. You must work hard. Okay, don't give up hope. Okay, don't give up
I just
hope.
finished my prelim.
Just when today? Is it Islamic subject?
Agama.
Or, agama. How is it?
Lama.
Dah lama. So how is it? Okay, are you okay?
No.
No, okay. Then you got to work hard. Whatever it is, don't give up. Just keep on fighting. Kita kena berjihad lah.
I still got the same one.
Inshallah, you improve. Inshallah. Okay, sometimes it might take a little longer time. If let's say lah, if any of you don't make it, you don't take it a short term. You go ahead, you will be master in maths. Some of you become maths teachers also. Okay, I thought so. Sometimes it takes a longer time because you are learning so many years work in 1 year. No? In the last 8 months, you are learning primary 4 work, primary 5 work, primary 6 work. We are going back to primary 4. So if let's say you don't have enough time to complete it, it's okay. Give yourself a little bit more time. Don't give up on yourself. I'm not giving up on you. Okay, I believe that you can do it. You do out to Allah. Okay? All right then.
Yeah. Okay, bye.
Bye.
Salam.
Okay.